Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Toyota GR Supra? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard has a driver-focused, low, horizontal design for better forward visibility. It features a high-definition digital display, a floating touchscreen, and an optional full-color head-up display. The cluster display is a high-resolution digital screen behind the steering wheel, showing speed, RPM, fuel level, vehicle settings. The LCD display shows key vehicle information, navigation, and system alerts in a clear digital format. The gear system allows the driver to select different driving modes, controlling speed and power delivery for smooth and efficient vehicle operation. Climate control automatically manages interior temperature and airflow for comfort. The steering wheel allows the driver to control the direction of the vehicle. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Sport mode, safety belt warning, airbag system, brake system, parking brake, general risk of collision, vehicle stability control system, off, tire pressure monitor, pollutant emissions, steering system, turn signal, parking lights, low beam, lane departure warning, dynamic radar cruise control, high beams, auto high beam indicator, fuel indicator, ready mode indicator, standby state and drive, external temperature, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.